What damages can someone recover in an 18-wheeler truck or commercial vehicle accident?
The attorneys at Fenstersheib Law Group explain.
You may be entitled to compensation for medical expenses, repairs, or restitution of your vehicle, and any time missed from work, as well as any loss of earning capacity that may have resulted from the accident. Since the deceased can no longer provide his or her spouse or family member with the same love, affection, companionship, and comfort they provided before the accident, the spouse or family member of the person injured has a claim for those losses. He or she is entitled to receive adequate compensation. Under Florida's pure comparative negligence standards, you may be entitled to compensation, even if you were deemed partially at fault. In most cases, money awarded in a truck accident settlement is the responsibility of the insurance company. However, one major complication that could arise is if the truck driver was an independent contractor without adequate insurance.
For a free phone consultation, contact attorneys at Fenstersheib Law Group, PA in Hallandale Beach, Florida today. With the right legal team behind you, Fenstersheib Law Group, PA will fight the system with you to get the compensation you are legally entitled to.